Honda presents world premiere of the Honda Zero series, represented by two new global EV concept models at CES 2024. Adopting new H-Mark design exclusively for the next generation EVs. January 10, 2024 corporate. In 2026, Honda will launch the Honda Zero series, a new EV series for global markets, starting from the North American market. Honda presented the world premiere of Honda Zero series concept models, Saloon and Space-Hub, at the CES 2024. A new H-Mark that represents Honda's commitment for the next generation EVs also made its world debut. Honda Zero series is being developed with a new approach, thin, light, and wise, to offer 5 core values. 1. Artistic design that evokes resonance. 2. AD/ADAS that ensures safety and peace of mind. 3. A space for people made possible by the Internet of Things and connected technologies. 4. The joy of driving with the feeling of oneness with the vehicle. 5. Outstanding electricity efficiency performance. Tokyo, Japan, January 10, 2024. Honda today unveiled the Honda Zero series, a new EV series Honda will launch globally starting in 2026. With the world premiere of 2 concept models, namely Saloon and Space-Hub, at the CES 2024 in Las Vegas, Nevada, US Honda also presented the world premiere of the new H-Mark to be used exclusively for the next generation EV models of Honda. Honda has been conducting business based on its global brand slogan, "The power of dreams, how we move you." This slogan conveys the message that Honda will create mobility products and services which enable people to transcend various constraints such as time and place, and to augment their abilities and possibilities. With such mobility products and services, Honda will support the realization of dreams of more people and become the driving force that moves society forward. Moreover, Honda is aiming to realize carbon neutrality for all products and corporate activities Honda is involved in by 2050. To this end, the company is pursuing electrification to achieve its automobile electrification target of increasing the ratio of EV and FCV sales to